I'm Darren from Safety Dave, and today I'm going to show you how to pair a wireless transmitter into your Safety Dave wireless monitor. So as stated, if you have a Safety Dave wired camera, whether it be a single or a dual, you can now use a wireless monitor. All you need is the transmitter. The transmitter itself will go on the A-frame and be connected to the A-frame via the magnets we sell, and all you need to do is connect the connection on the front of the transmitter to the 4-pin cable at the front of your van. If you currently have a WASA socket on the front of your van, just disconnect that and connect the cables from your 4-pin into the transmitter. As far as the wiring is concerned, to get the power, you can get the power from the 7 or 12-pin plug. The red wire connects to the brown number 7 wire, and the black wire connects to the white number 3 wire. Now we're going to pair the wired camera to the wireless monitor. We'll switch the monitor on, make sure the split screen is off. We'll now go to the menu and we'll press down for the pairing to begin, and then I'll hold down and press the button. And you can now see we have now an image on the screen. So on the transmitter, the red wire means you've got the power and the green wire means you've now got connection. So if you've got any questions, call us at Safety Dave or visit us on our website. Thank you.